What's up, everybody? So today, as you can see, the Cressida is in the garage. That's because I finally have enough parts laying around that we can go ahead and start this 5-speed swap. So first things first, we got to get in the air, and then we'll do a quick overview of some stuff after that. So let's get started. Alright, so we got the car in the air and transmission is draining, the automatic transmission. So let's take a look at what we're going to put in it. Right, so we have going in is a MK3 Supra W58, and then eventually after we break in the clutch, that's a welded MK3 diff. So that should be a lot of fun when that's done. Let's see, just stock flywheel, just has that resurfaced. Let's see, so in this box we got shifter, trans mount, clutch fork setup. I'll go over what I ended up using because it's not full W58. Pedal cover, stuff like that. Slave cylinder, it's a drift car, so I got a drift button, of course. And then we got some maintenance stuff. So I got plugs, I got wires inside, those just showed up. Rear main seal, cooling system. And I got everything else. My drift motion order just shipped today, so all the things like flywheel bolts, clutch bolts, stainless steel clutch line, actually the excessive pedal, and all the other stuff to finish it up. So that should be here in a couple days. The car is going to get, kind of see it there, we got a 3-inch steel one-piece drive shaft. So once we get the trans in, we can measure that up. So that's kind of cool. Get rid of the 2-piece. So a small upgrade. Had it laying around, so might as well use it. What else we got? Oh, the only other thing, just going with a basic Egg City replacement clutch. Nothing too crazy, stock power. Just trying to get it on the road. Alright guys, we're back. Day 2-ish. I didn't get as much done last night as I wanted. I fought an exhaust manifold stud for like 3 hours trying to cut it off. I'll show pictures of that later. Plan for the day is to get the trans out. We're a little behind schedule. I had some stuff to do, adulting things that I don't like to do. Let's see. What's up? Huey is, we're going to drop the exhaust as one piece, so he's taking the hangers off. Yeah. Because that's always the worst part. So, small, I don't know, side story, but grandma cars are great until you realize that this car hasn't been touched in 28 years, so nothing has ever been removed. That's basically what we're fighting now. But we'll see what happens.
Got it.
Why don't you,
10. Once you go.
Alright, so end of day 2-ish. About 2 hours we got the trans out. Huey just finished loosening up the hard lines for the cooler. We're going to loop those tomorrow. Loop those tomorrow on the radiator side. So that's it for now. Hopefully we'll have the manual in tomorrow, and then I'll finish it up over the next couple days. Alright, so it's day 3-ish. let's see what we got going on.
Hey, what's up? Got demoted to cleaning dude.
Yeah, you clean my trans. So, yeah, Huey's doing that.
Oh yeah.
Oh,
Here's
this
the
is the
special
jam
stuff.
right here for cleaning.
We went from chemical guy stuff to simple green. Now we're using oven cleaner.
From the dollar store.
Yeah, from the 99-cent store.
Yeah. Alright, let's look. So, cars, not much to look at, but, let's see. But auto stuff is up. Hole in the floor. That's what we like. This is the cooler lines. I went over that yesterday. So rear mainsails replaced. Right now we're just waiting on my drift motion order to show up because it has like the flywheel bolts and the clutch pivot that are really stopping the trans from going in. Everything else we can wait on, but so now we're just gonna find stuff to do till that shows up. We've been waiting all day and it's here, so we thought he was getting off the hook.
So close.
But, hey, you got a good nap.
Yeah, I guess so.
Unboxing. Thanks millions.
So what do you got?
Well, let's see. What's that? Oh, that should be my.
I don't know what any of this stuff is. Just tell me where it goes. We'll figure it out.
That should be. That knife not very sharp.
Yeah, just a lot of tape. Cable?
Should be clutch cable or like hydraulic.
Yeah.
Braided.
Clutch cable?
Yep. Sick. Back.
Master cylinder?
Sick.
Slave cylinder. Master
Yeah,
cylinder.
sir.
Thought you bought one.
I bought a slave.
Off eBay.
Amazon.
Or Amazon. Excessive
Was that my pedal?
pedal.
Oh, pedal or diff bushing?
2 stickers. Thanks, drift motion. Getting parts here on time.
Kinda.
Bushings.
So those should be diff bushings.
Bolts.
These should be.
Flywheel bolts.
Oh, so this is all little stuff. ARP, flywheel bolts, pressure plate bolts, and the ball. Got a big ball.
Shifter bushings? Bushings.
Oh, diff bushings.
Bushings.
We're
Diff
done with
bushings. Diff bushings. I just woke up from a nap. Instructions. Don't need those.
Huey doesn't read instructions, but I do. That should be my pedal. Come on, Doc.
What did it come out?
Fancy. Nothing.
Nothing? They make them?
Yeah.
Fully.
Everything else you gotta customize. So this to me was
Okay,
worth the
that's
money.
big.
Yeah. Cool. I don't know what else is in there.
Nothing?
There might not be anything else.
Snacks?
No. I think the 2 stickers. Oh, wait. I paid for the stickers.
Did you?
Yeah. Alright.
Okay.
Sick.
Is that how I do it?
There you go. Okay, it needs to go that way.
The GoPro camera just stopped running and ran out of batteries and said screw it.
Yeah.
But we got it in.
It's,
So now is the mount, which Justin has right there. We cleaned it up.
yeah.
And the starter needs to go back in, and then we'll probably call it a day after that.
Yeah. So,
So-
hurry up and put starter in.
Yeah. Let's go put the starter in.
My dogs are hungry.
Alright, so we reached the end of day 3? Day 3. And so, this is what we got.
I got a stick.
Yeah, a stick. And it shifts. And the dogs are hungry.
Yeah.
So yeah, the shifter's in, the starter's in, the transmission.
Is this what driving a
bolted up.
FRS with paddle shifters is like? No clutch pedal?
Cool. And then we have what's left? Wiring.
Wiring. The big stuff is the hydraulics. So
Drive shaft needs to be measured and cut.
Yeah, and I gotta put a pedal in. I got no pedal.
Pedal. Slave cylinder, master cylinder, that good stuff. And then
burnouts.
And then burnouts. So cool.
Oh, and it's a real drift car now. It's got a drift button.
Alright. We'll see you guys later.